If your business still runs on an old copper phone line for your phones, your fax, maybe your alarm system, that line is like a ticking clock. The company that owns it is planning to shut it down, and the federal government just made it easier to do. Here's the plain version. The old copper telephone network, the one that's been in the ground for decades, is expensive to keep running, and hardly anyone's left on it. So carriers like AT&T have said they plan to walk away from that copper network across most of their service area by the end of 2029. Now, the regulators, on March 20th, 2025, the FCC announced it was, in their words, are cutting red tape to speed up the copper retirement. They didn't ban copper. What they did was clear away the paperwork and the barriers that used to slow a shutdown of a network, while keeping some protection in place for the customers who get moved. So why should a business owner in East Texas care? Because fewer steps for the phone company means shutdowns can happen faster and with less warning to you. And here's the part that catches people off guard. When the copper goes, it's not just your desk phones, it's anything riding on that line. Fire alarm panels, elevator emergency phones, fax machines, card readers, a lot of those are quietly running on copper right now. And you can't just plug a fire alarm into any old internet phone line. Life safety equipment needs a special replacement that speaks its own language, or you could fail in an inspection. Here's the good news. None of this has to be a fire drill if you get ahead of it. Modern phone service is cheaper, it's cleaner, and you can keep your same phone numbers. The smart move is to switch on your own schedule before a disconnection notice forces you onto somebody else's schedule. That's what we did. I'm with CE Telecom. We're a veteran-owned team right here in East Texas, and we've been keeping local businesses connected since our early days as an ISP. We'll look at every line you've got, tell you which ones are copper, and help you move your phones, your alarms, elevators, the right way, on your schedule.
And if your business runs on technology, CE Telecom Network Services keeps it running. VoIP, Internet, cybersecurity, and more. CE Telecom, local people, real support. Call 903-723-5136 or visit CE Telecom.